Yeah, nation people. Hear me I say. Right now, we see Beng Beng forward out. And the man rises the big 4-4 Maggie. A 4 straight, the man rip out tight. Right now, the whole place bust up. Now give me excuses not dead about it. Me hear some blogger boy act like them not learn. Be a man boy I run out to talk about the 4 people for tell una if the 4 song make one. Nobody not drop no song for una, my brother. Una no Skillibeng fans. Una no Skillibeng haters. Skillibeng critics, you know what I mean? Backstabbing reviewer. Who the fuck una think una is? Skillibeng not drop no song for una, my brother. Una no smell the song them. Una see a be international smell pan them. It festive the whole internet. The song them on a phone, my brother. And let me tell you something. We will see. We're all witnesses. You know what I mean? Because if it's even 2 out of the 4 song, I go get crossed over. And if them even no cross over, them going to be a major part of blood clot. The catalog when them a perform a show. And you will see the reaction after it in a minute. Now watch nothing. Here's what I say. It do have a favor it. But my sister una not learn. But watch me now. At the world it's not a plan. You just watch what go on, you know. Carefully, you know. A franchise, the choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know what's going on. When we come for represent. Full effecting one. You don't know what's going on. When we load up. Aim up. Crank up. Draw necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion bout here. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion? Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza's favorite, most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. Your nation people. It can't get no better than this. Yes, what I say? These people, they like critics business. All you do is bring some bag of critics come in a dance hall, come on the internet with a bag of fucker. I see the whole of you have a joy, they are skin up on the teeth just over the blood clot result of the first week sale of Vibes Cartel EP. Dog, that can't take nothing from Vibes Cartel. Something wrong with you know? Do you think that can hurt Vibes Cartel? You're not stupid enough fuck. Yes, what I say? The wap never beat on no down enough. It never beat on no down enough. So it look like you not learn, you forward back. It come like all you do, you listen out to hear the people them drop song for critics it, right? Now watch nothing man. We are gonna see if the song them make for phone ears. You know what I mean? Because when we see the growth of the song them you know, we are gonna watch if a phone side a crowd, you know what I mean? I put growth on the song them or even cloud. You know what I mean? Because right now I can't tell you now. All of the look high school girl them and the look college girl them right now. Good my friend. All the look high school girl them and the college girl them right now. I one thing them I say right now to them one another. Do you hear those Skilly songs? Skilly drop new 4 new songs. That's all them I talk about right now. To them friend. Be a texting a go on right now. You see me? And sharing a song. Which one do you like? Yeah, it's a competition this morning in the classroom them. Getting at the college and the high school them. No joke shit not about that. I'm not ask you now. I tell you, you know. Remember Skillibeng that you know, my brother. You see how the little girl them react over the money now, my brother. And no joke shit them. The song them that belongs to you. Maybe special. You can't take that one there. Special maybe it belongs to you, you know what I mean? The next 3 songs them are international. I smell upon them, my brother. It's so strong it stink up the whole blood clot internet. It wicked and fragrance, my brother. No joke shit not that. Right now it's wickeder than my 3 a.m. Sean John Cologne. It's wickeder on it. No joke shit. Festive month. The whole internet smell up. No joke shit not about it. You know, stop them school picnic from listen to it. You hear me? That I want to do. You see them school picnic, want to see I go school. Because be a school picnic them, you know. I don't want to feel like a big people them, you know. Be a school picnic them. You see I go school. Stop them from blood clot, listen to it. That I want you to do. Take out them phone from them and stop them from listening to it. Because it come like you don't know who name Bang Bang. Eh? You don't know who name Bang Bang. Well, okay. Just give a minute, you know what I mean, for the song them start circulate in a people's ears. You see me? And then you will see what I go on from the material evidence. Because when the things are some form of gimmicks thing, or nobody in a joke thing, we don't know. You see what I say? I want to know if you're not tired of Bang Bang shame, you know. No, you're not tired. But you're not going to see if the fourth song. People for telling us if the fourth song make what. Who the fuck you think you is, my brother? What do you contribute to dancehall? Eh? I never know Bang Bang do song for no. Bang Bang and a phone artist, my brother. You know rate the youth, dog. Yeah. You even forward out and say, listen, the song them, you know, and not really my flavor. But them type of flavor, yeah, the people them over the rest of the world. You see what I say? I say Skillibeng for. You see what I say? Yeah. That's all you're supposed to say. You know what I mean? No. You're not going to see if the fourth song make one. I'm telling you something. We are all witnesses, my brother. We are going to bomb buckler and see. Respect, brother. The whole of we are going to see. You hear that? All me have to tell you now. You see them look up at me, I want to see I go to school. Take what them phone from them and stop them from bomb buckler listen to Skillibeng. You hear that? That me want to know though. All of them people I want to see I go to blood clot school. Take them phone from them. You see me? Hold them and try to take them blood clot phone from them. You see what I say? When them a listen to bomb buckler bang bang. You hear that? And when time them ready for share it. You see me? And discuss it with them friend if they hear the new bomb buckler Skillibeng. If you ever try, go near none of them youth here with them phone blood clot business. Silver banger, half go around your blood clot and you know what I mean? And all the way down to the blood clot precinct too. No gimmicks business not dead about it. You can't stop blood clot bang bang. Eh? You not gonna stop the man. When you not like the song, you can't tell them bomb clot school picnic there, no? Eh? Something wrong with you, no? Yeah, I have to flip the script nation people because them people that act like them stupid. Yo, you know no stop where you can't stop bang bang, my brother. You can't do it. Morning, sir. Good. Yeah. You know the general in the building, the 10-star one. You know no lollipop thing. You know a Mach 90 rifle and Glock thing. You don't have to understand nothing, my brother. Because the man last time the man asked Skillibeng, say him know him at the plug. And Skilly say, yeah, you know where the plug for? It. You see out of them 4 songs that were come out of the 4-4 barrel, eh? Me I look for 2 of them crossover. When you just mark my words, nation people. We not gonna elaborate on it no more. Cause you know the general, the 10-star one I represent. You see what I say? Them boy are not no shame. Me don't know how much time, Skilly, I go shame them. And them can't see it. What? Gaza way, no other way. A 10-star. General. Watch. Yeah. Flip the script again, you know what I mean?